darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fumi Desalu-Vold, for those of you that are stopping by for the very first time. And if you're a regular, welcome back, my darlings. Do we love the ambience? Do we love the fabulosity? Do we love the look? I am going to show you what I did in this look, and we're going to start with ABH. ABH sent me a beautiful PR kit. No obligation to film. It's PR, but I was excited because I had been seeing, my darlings, the brow freeze. The brow freeze was apparently something to look forward to. So we're going to play with the brow freeze. They also have a highlighter. Gorgeous. They also have glass gloss. They also have honey diamond. Yes, my darlings, we're going to try all of this out and find out, are they really essentials? Do we really need more makeup? Do we need more steps in our makeup routine? We're going to find that out. Also, for the first time, I'm going to play with beautiful Melissa's PR collaboration package that was sent to me by Juvia's Place. I'm finally getting round to all of them. Congratulations, Melissa. You are my twin. We launched our collaboration at exactly the same time on the same day, side by side. You are the girl and I am the boy. That's okay. I love you. Congratulations. She also sold out. So we're going to play with her palette. Her palette being this gorgeous baby right here. Isn't that fab? Also, Pore Professional has come out with a supersetter. So this is going to be such a fun day. So sit back, my sweets, and let's enjoy. Brow freeze, darling. Brow freeze. This is the component. When we turn it around, we have the details. Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to take a spoolie. Let us open this puppy. And this is what it looks like. It's a gel. So we're going to take a little bit onto the spoolie. Not too much, because we're testing. We want to see how far this goes. And then we put it onto the brow. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. It's elevated my brows right away. Right away. Right away. Because I don't have brows, as you can see. But I like the fact that they're stretched out. Okay, let me try the other side. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yes. This is nice. It feels good. It feels like a gel. It's got like a kind of cooling effect. My hair is straightened out completely. All right, I do like that. Let me flatten it with a clean beauty blender because I already have my base. And then I like it. We're going to use the Brow Wiz by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This one is called Granite. This is going to be a staple. This is going to be a staple. I like it. What do we think, guys? This is a pomade of sorts. It's by Makeup Forever. And I'm just going to take an angled brush. This is from Juvia's Place. I love this. I'm going to put some onto my palm of my hand. Whoosh. And I'm going to just give it more depth. So play with it up here. We're just going to clean this up. Yes. Because I haven't done an updated brow tutorial in a while. I have so many of these angled brushes by Juvia's Place. I cannot live without them. They are so fantastic. This is a Pro Conceal palette by MAC, and the shade combination right here is dark. They've got medium, they've got light, they've got deep dark, they've got different variations. I'm going to go in because I want to clean up the brow so that way I get a definition of the whole look. So if you make any mistakes, don't worry about it. You can always clean it up by doing this. And then what I do is that I just kind of drag it down like so, make a mess of it. It's okay, it's only makeup. And then I dab into the palette again, and this is how I create my base, and just blend it out. I love the brow. Brow freeze is working for me. So let's play with makeup. Let's have fun. So we're going to use Melissa's palette. Melissa's my twin because we launched our collabs on the same day at the same time, side by side. It was so much fun. So I'm just going to put this above my crease a little bit, right up there. Voila. And then once you've stumped it in, just do like car wash motion and just go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, all the way up. I'm going to take the 131 Morphe brush and we're going to go in with this shade right here and just drag it with the fan brush down. Yeah. You can also stomp it across just to make sure that you get it in there first before you start to romance it out of there and blend it into the other shade. And you just basically just drag it. That's why I love this tool. I use it all the time. It just works. I need it for my crease. What can I tell you? Saharan Palette Original. We're gonna go in with who? You already know, Chad. The depth that I always need. This is an angled brush from Smashbox 21. Love this for a cut crease. I use a depotted, it's a hot mess. This is my NYX Jumbo pencil that I've depotted in here. And I'm just going to use this angled brush to cut my crease. So we put the base for the one, and as you can see, I've gone in with this color right here, and then we're gonna do it on the second eye. Yeah, it's such a beautiful color, such a beautiful color, and so easy to apply. We're gonna take the glitter. I'm gonna mix it in with this. You can mix. Yeah. And just fan it out. It's pretty. Yes, that does give me some sort of satisfaction. Going with this color again. And we're going to smoke out the bottom. And just gently graze underneath the eye and just bring it out. And that's just to give it that beautiful, big, smoky effect. And this is the NYX liquid liner. They have a regular and they have a matte. You want the matte. Yeah. I'll do the other eye, put on lashes, and we'll be right back. See? And it just kind of comes together. I love it. I am really loving double stacked lashes. I don't know what it is. Maybe more drama for me. I am living for this. I'm using Icy Wifey Cosmetics, and I think these are juicy. I'm living for this juicy. Love, love. And as you very well know, I have to come and get like 10 of Chomas because it just gives me what I want and need. We're going to go with the Saharan One Blush Beaten Up palette. I'm going to go in with Toby because I'm in love with it. It just warms it up. I am living for these brows. Yeah. Iced out highlighter. Ooh. So you know what? Let's do a swatch first. Yeah. It's a dual chrome, it's a gold, so we know what we're working with very lightly. Alrighty, let's go in. It's completely iced out. Let's see this puppy. Pretty, absolutely pretty. Just put a little bit on the forehead. Yeah. First time trying. Gold. I wasn't sure. I thought it might be too cool and then it would come off chalky, but not at all. Not at all. Yes. Very nice. Yes. Put a little bit on the nose. Yes. It's nice. I haven't done a dark lip in a while, so I feel like taking a dark lip. So this is Fumi from my first collaboration with Juvia's. I don't have any other dark lips that I like. Let's put it on. This gloss never disappoints. Colored Rain collabed with Power, the television show, and they came up with this shade called All That Glitters. It's a powwow. It's a powwow. Do we love, darlings? Do we love? ABH also had glosses, plain glass gloss. Yeah, it is glass. Yes. Glass. Pure glass. It's beautiful. Yeah. Wow. Honey diamond, and that's got reflex of gold. Very much like their highlighter, I believe. Yeah. So should we put some on? I think so. So let me put some onto my hand right here. Da, 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 da. Okay. Take it with my finger and put it on. It just amplifies what I already have on. Wow, wow. Power Professional has come out with a setting spray. Yes, called Super Setter. It's already available. Let's take the cover off. It's got another one. And let's try. And apparently, this is supposed to... heaven. This is supposed to last and keep your makeup together for at least 16 hours. Thank you so much for sending this to me. Benefit. This is the brochure. Per blurring makeup setting spray. 16-hour shelf life. And when you open it up, these are all the goodie details. It retails for £26. It's already available in stores. Let me bring it in closer. And yes, my darlings. Yeah, so we had some goodies for this episode. Yeah. Do we love, my darlings? Do we love? I will tell you this. I think, yes. The essentials from ABH are absolutely F.D.V approved. Absolutely. I love the highlighter. I love the brow freeze. I'm going to continue using the brow freeze. And then you've got the glass gloss, which is gorgeous. And then you also have the honey diamond gloss, which I put onto my lips. Beautiful. I just feel that this collection is, yes, starting off the year with a bang, ABH. And of course, beautiful Melissa, congratulations on your sold out palette. Wasn't it fun? Wasn't it fun? All right, my darlings, I will see you later. Okay? Mwah.
I spent another night by the window all alone. Excuses every time. Got some problems with your phone.